This hair dryer claims that this is a high speed, so I assume I can blow dry my hair quickly as possible. Okay, this has 2 buttons on the handle, and this is where the light comes on. So the green tells you it's blowing cold, so the green tells you it's cold, and then the orange tells you it's warm, and the red means hot, like hot. This hair dryer is really high speed, and I don't know what is this, but it's just an easy snap. See? So I really love this. This really makes my day. And this is very cute, and you can bring this when you travel because it's very handy. I mean, not too bulky like the other blow dryer that we can see, like the regular blow dryer. This one is nice